So the other day, I was sat in my room, scrolling through my computer, and I thought to myself, something's missing above my head. What could that be? And I thought, let me get a vision board up, right above my head. Like this.
So, welcome to another video on your favorite YouTube's channel. Today I'm going to take you through my vision board and what the heck a vision board is. So, let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off by telling you what a vision board is. So a vision board is somewhere where you put your dreams and hopes and things that you want to achieve in the future. So, example, you want a Bentley. You put a picture of a Bentley above your bed so that you have to look at it every day as an inspiration. A vision board is sort of an extended version of that. You have loads of pictures above your bed hanging so that you have to look at it for inspiration every single day. So that's what it is. Let's go through what mine is basically. So to start off with, I have 3 pictures here in the middle. They're basically 1 million YouTube subscribers, £1 billion, and a big bag of Amazon money. It's gonna look ridiculous if I keep holding it, so I'm just gonna take it down and basically I'm gonna explain it. So 1 million YouTube subscribers has always been a big goal for me. I haven't started uploading to YouTube since, I did it in August, my first video, but I've had my channel ever since 2013. So I've kind of procrastinated starting YouTube, but I did it and now my goal is 1 million subscribers. The other one was £1 billion. As some of you know, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm currently funding my own business and founding it as well. So I've sent a request in to get it moving. And yeah, that's how I'm going to get my £1 billion. And then I've got a big bag of Amazon money. Now this is because I'm doing like a business course with Ben Cummings, who is an entrepreneurial genius, who is teaching me and everyone, a lot of other people, it's not specific for me, but a lot of people how to sell things on Amazon basically. So I'm doing that course and that's why I've the Amazon bag filled with money. And what you should be seeing on your screen now is a picture of a helicopter. And as some of you know, very few of you know, I am a pilot. I know how to fly like a normal plane. I'm not an actual pilot, I haven't got a license or anything, but I know how to fly a plane. And I thought, why not widen it and learn some more stuff? So now I want to learn how to fly a helicopter and eventually get my own one as well. So that's why that is on there. And now the next one are these 3 quotes that you should be having on your screen now as I'm talking. One of them says rethink, one says we believe in the athlete, and one says we fly. Now the we fly one sort of links to the helicopter, but I found all of the things that I found in a magazine more or less, and that just meant that it was applicable into my life. So I thought the we fly was a Nike advert, so I thought it was really nice to have on mine. But the rethink is specific for YouTube, because for YouTube, if you want to grow, you obviously have to be creative and rethink ideas that are already out and stuff like that. You already know. And we believe in the athlete is because, as you know, I'm a fitness YouTuber, health YouTuber. If you haven't already and you enjoy that sort of content already, do subscribe to my channel down below or in that corner there, right there. It could be that corner, we don't know. Sometimes I do that and it looks stupid because it's the wrong corner. Okay, and what you should be seeing on your screen now is the, I think, second to last one, which is boss sign and the pound stack of money. Now, the pound stack of money is basically because it was nice. It has like a muscle thing on it. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it has a muscle sort of thing to it, which I thought was really cool. And it linked to the fitness that I'm doing as well. And the boss one is because I want to be a boss in terms of business, but I also want to be a boss in terms of life. So that's why I've got that there. And the last one that I'm going to put up on your screen right now is Tranquility Island. Now, many people have their own tranquility island, but this is sort of just me trying to tell myself that I want a place where I can relax, because I know that in the future I'm going to be living in the city, but I want to have a place where I can escape to, like a warm, quiet place where I can be myself. So that's my vision board. I'm just going to get it up here for you. You can draw some inspiration if you want. It's not copyrighted or anything like that. Big recommendation. I really recommend that you do one of these, because they're really awesome and really help you to want to like progress with your things. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, subscribe, and other than that, I'll see you in my next video.